Oh, that's so cute. I bought a little mug to have in the studio from Libby Ballard Ceramics over on Etsy, and it was £25, but look how cute this little guy is. So cute. I love it. If you want to find her anywhere, she's called Libby Ballard, and I just found her on Etsy. You can find her on Instagram here, and her website here. Now to make coffee. It's so cute to drink out of. Look how cute and tiny it is. I love it. It's also going to make such a nice photography prop, especially with baby blue, because the colours are like grey and blue, and underneath this little silicone thing there's like a little bit of blue ceramic. You can't really see. Anyway, hello guys, welcome back to a studio vlog. I've still got my sunglasses on, sorry about that. Today is going to be hopefully one that you're going to really enjoy, because it's going to be heavily revolving around packing orders. For some reason we've had a huge influx of orders, so thank you so much for keeping us so busy, but that means that I'm going to be on orders today, so I'm going to get into packaging some orders and stuff. It's a really super warm sunny day today, which is crazy because the weather has been all over the place in England. Yesterday I was freezing and had to turn the heating on in the studio. Now I'm absolutely boiling and we've got all the windows and doors open to let some fresh air inside. What is going on? Well, first of all, I got a really cool package sent to me, a PR package. This was gifted off a Swedish company apparently, doing these minimalistic earbuds, and I really needed earbuds because I've been listening to like soft relaxing music at night before I go to sleep. So I'm going to do a little unboxing and have a look at them before we get into packaging all the orders. It says here it's from Estonia. Packaging's nice. This is the brand that sent me them, Sudio, and actually my friend Lindsay at Nutmeg and Aloe received a little PR package for them, and she really likes her headphones, so I'm super grateful and happy for them reaching out to me. Thank you so much, Sudio. Oh, and then these are the headphones. Oh, the nice pink ones. Look at these. Kind of has that Apple package vibe. I'm guessing this is a little charging pod. I don't know what this material is, but it's like a velvety, soft plastic. Oh, it's magnetic. They are so nice. Look at these. They're like little rose gold and pink and white ones. And while that's charging, I thought I'd show you the little tote bag that they put in. It's a really thick quality canvas tote bag, and I really like these black and white straps. Oh my gosh, look at these. I wonder if we can hit 100k Instagram followers by the end of the studio vlog. Can you even believe it? Thank you so much, anyone who follows me over here or over there. It means so much. Found it on my Bluetooth and I just clicked them. Oh, it said device connected. Put jazz music on. Cool! Thank you so much, Sudio, for sending me this little gift package. Now let's get into packaging some orders. just on Facebook and he showed me this time hop that popped up 4 years ago today. I launched Katnipp.com. Can you even believe it? It looks so different to kind of what it looks like now. I just can't believe it. You learn so much. I actually started in the October previous to this, so this must have been 2016. Look at that. That was when I did like loads of custom portraits and stuff. This is crazy. Anyway, I just wanted to say a huge thank you for all the support you've ever give, whether it's monetary support or just by liking, commenting or watching these YouTube videos. It really does mean the world, and I wouldn't have been able to grow like this without you guys watching and supporting like this. So thank you so much. Also, the birds are so loud in the background, you can hear them. We've got all the windows and doors open because it's rather hot today. My back is killing me from a full day of packing orders, and thank you so much guys for keeping us busy. We're gonna have to take that to the post office now because it's now 5 o'clock and they shut. Dean's had to go to the car and get another bag, so he should be, I can hear him coming in. Oh hi Dean! A man of few words. But now we're going to take that to the post office, and yeah, I'll probably see you tomorrow. Oh my back, I need a massage. See you tomorrow. Come out to the seafront for a little lemon top. The ice cream shops are now open, or at least some of them are, on the beach for people. So we've come out and got a lemon top. We all have to socially distance, but it's dripping. This is like a northeastern. Let me know in the comments if you know what a lemon top is. Oh my gosh, it's dripping. Morning guys, happy Friday. Today is going to be a super busy day. I'm going to edit the video that I filmed yesterday. I filmed a Procreate video, so I'm going to edit that, and then it's another day of packaging loads of orders. I also have a Patreon podcast to record. It's been a crazy week this week. We've been working a lot. I'm going to take Saturday off, but I am back in on Sunday for the Patreon live stream that I'm doing. So one day off this week is better than no days off, and then we're back in on Monday again. So yeah, I'm going to get to work on editing this video, and then let's get to packaging some more orders. This has been a very large packing orders vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. Yeah. What the hell's that?
I don't know.
Should we go see? I don't want to burn down. Have we got A5 do not bend things coming? Do not bend things. absolutely blowing a gale outside. It's so windy. It's been windy yesterday, it's windy today. It's going to be windy tomorrow, so not a great bank holiday. But it's meant to be really hot and sunny on Monday. So me and Dean have just decided to come into work because there is nothing else better to do. If it was sunny outside and warm, maybe we could go out for a nice walk or picnic. But when the weather's like this, it just feels kind of blah. At the beginning of the year, I made it one of my goals to not work as much. Not necessarily work as much, but work less hours and try and find a healthier balance and not work the weekends. Because I definitely think I'm one of those people who likes to use work as a distraction. But I wasn't expecting a global pandemic, and to be honest, it's been a very welcome distraction this year. I don't know, being in the studio just makes me feel really happy. It's kind of like my happy place. It's where I'm most creative and where I can focus and get into a state of flow and into the zone when I'm working. So it's kind of been a welcome distraction, and yeah, I've been working a lot more the last 2 weeks. We haven't really had a day off, but it's meant to be sunny on Monday, so maybe we'll take Monday off. Today I'm going to do an illustration. I'm going to drink my coffee, put on some nice music, and I asked you guys over on Instagram and in the YouTube community tab what I should draw Gingie and Spice doing next, and a lot of people said picnic. So yeah, I'm going to illustrate Gingie and Spice. Let's get our iPad out and set a cozy vibe. I'm going to turn this light off so it's nice and cozy in here. Have a nice Saturday mid-morning, seeing as though it's 11:20 because this morning I was watching the Imagineering story on Disney Plus. Okay, let's go.
I've always had a feeling that anytime you can kind of experiment or do anything, you ought to do it. You'll never know what will come out of it. I have that feeling today. If my boys come to me with an idea that sounds plausible to me, sounds possible, I try to go with them on the experiment, because you'll never know what will happen.
Hello my beautiful patrons, welcome to another Coffee Beans episode. Honestly, it only feels like 2 seconds ago since I last recorded the last one. I don't know why, but time seems to be going weirdly fast. Anyway, let's just jump straight into it. So it is currently 10 to 8 and I think I'm going to call it a day for today, and I'll be back in tomorrow for the Patreon live stream. So I'll see you tomorrow on Sunday when I need to do some more orders as well. I think we're going to fulfill BABYBLUU orders tomorrow, so I'll see you in the morning. I'm looking very swollen and everything. My allergies have been really bad. It's been super windy and I think it's causing my hay fever to get a little worse, so I've had to go easy on the makeup today. Anyway, question of the week this week is, if you could pick one meal to eat for the rest of your life, what would it be? Mine would be a roast dinner, because you just can't beat some nice Yorkshire puddings. They're so nice, and you'd also get all your nutrients from your fruit and veg, and everyone's a winner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for my beautiful patrons. I hope you enjoyed this studio vlog. I'll see you all again real soon. Alright then, I love you. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.